I'm particularly fond of the term retail ecosystem because it really embellishes and explains how retail is evolving. So for me, a retail ecosystem is where a retailer will collaborate with another retailer or another organization in order to provide something additional of value to the customer that perhaps differentiates them from their competition. So for example, it could be around offering an express delivery service through a third party, or it could be around selling another retailer's products or their own products through another retailer's channels and actually to their customers. There's some really good examples in the world of grocery retail. So for example, if you look at Ocado, who are based out of the UK, they've actually effectively built an ecosystem with a number of different grocers around the world, where those grocers have effectively outsourced their e-commerce offering to Ocado. So Kroger in North America, but also Monoprix in France, and a number of retailers in the UK as well. And I think that's good, that we're going to see that increase over time. Another example, again in the grocery sector, is, for example, Ahold, and in some of their stores, they're actually selling HelloFresh meal kits. HelloFresh actually also sell direct to consumer via the internet. But actually, the fact that those kits are now being sold in store is an example of a retail ecosystem that's been established. I'm really proud of the work that my team have done with Kiabi in France, and helping them to actually build out a fashion retail ecosystem by selling their products through third-party channels in countries outside of France. So for me, an ecosystem is built on transparency and ease of communication. So that is absolutely key. Now the reality is, we all know that companies within their four walls of the companies, they have lots of systems that weren't necessarily designed to talk to one another. But when you start building an ecosystem, you've got lots of different companies sharing data and sharing information in order to facilitate that ecosystem. Then all of a sudden you have another challenge, because those systems definitely are not designed to talk to one another. So what this is doing is this is bringing into focus two particular areas, one of which is the business to business or B2B commerce and the ability to interact from that perspective. But also APIs and API management is really coming into focus. So for example, if you wanted to actually embed an express delivery service into your online offering, you would need to actually interact and share data through APIs with your third-party delivery service. So this is really, these technologies are going to become more and more important, and the need for robust and solid API management in order to facilitate these ecosystems is going to be absolutely critical as we move forward in time.